Yo, Jay Blanked here. The official Flipper Devices Discord is shut down, and almost every channel there's only a message from their Discord bot called a Flipper bot that says all volunteer moderators have now stepped down effective today due to disagreements with the new corporate direction. Flipper Devices has made it clear that Discord is not a priority and GitHub will become the new priority. Volunteer moderators and active community members have moved to the new community server. This is after a couple weeks of back and forth between the new community manager and Discord moderator team and an official Ask Me Anything Reddit forum with the CEO and staff, which were both the result of a Discord outbreak on June 17th. I know there's been so much that's been going on with Flipper Devices in the last 2 months, so it's been harder to follow. So here's a short list of what you need to know to catch you up to speed. 1. The community put up blogs and videos asking for support from the Flipper Devices team after absence from the Discord and GitHub pull request for over 6 months. 2. Sometime in June, a few community members started a new server with the goal of being the official community-led server for the Flipper Zero, with a new firmware called Encore, with the goal being an official firmware replacement that's actively maintained by the community. 3rd, on June 17th in the official Flipper Devices Discord, a volunteer tagged everyone in a post about a new Discord ran by the community. It was quickly taken down by staff and the Discord went crazy when hundreds of active users appeared asking about why they were tagged, the validity of the new Discord, and some questions about an employee. 4th, on June 29th, Flipper Devices sent out an email about the Busy Bar release, which is set for July 14th and priced at $179 if you join their waitlist. 5th, on July 1st, Flipper Devices released a blog post and Ask Me Anything Reddit to address the Flipper Zero community. 6. On July 4th, a new Flipper Zero firmware called Fantasy dropped its alpha release to the public, making it one of the first firmwares that aren't a direct fork of the official firmware. And lastly, on July 11th, which is today, we have a message from the Flipper bot and most channels of the official Flipper Zero Discord saying that all of the volunteers have moved on to a new Discord, followed by all of the channels in the Discord being muted. Well, that's everything you need to know about what's going on lately with the Flipper Zero and Flipper Devices. What are your thoughts on the situation, and have you joined the new server yet? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to be the first to know when we get new news, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm Jay Blanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.